I'm from Reefwatch Marine Conservation Team. Myself, Dr. Manohar. We got the call from Forest Department regarding this turtle. It's a green sea turtle which they caught in the net. They brought it to the site and we have collected the. At primary inspection, it's like she's too exhausted. She's not even moving. We are taking him into our center. Over there, we will collect the blood. We'll go through the X-ray and we'll see whether he's okay to release or not. Further, all the treatment will be happen at our center, which is situated at Benali.
Where is it?
At Benali.
Benali. So it's a regular center where animals are
Yeah.
treated.
So already we have 2 turtles over there, olive redleaf, which are under treatment. Both of them were caught in net. I'm suspecting this one has the same issue.
And what is the age? Tentative, maybe like?
So for sure, she's 20 plus, 20-year-old, 20 year plus.
पडकाय आमकां कॉल येयलो की एक टर्टल एक झाडाक बसून आसा म्हणून आनी आमी थंय आयले आनी रेस्क्यू केलो तेका रीफ वॉच टीम आनी आमी फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट आनी आतां तेका रेस्क्यू करून आमी बाणावली व्हरता ट्रिटमेंटा खातीर.
कोणाक सांपडलो तो?
लोकल पीपल, फिशरमॅन.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.